Alright guys, so we're at North Pacific Drive here at Oceanside, and we're visiting the house from the movie Top Gun. Yeah, you remember that movie, Tom Cruise? This is the house. Oh, there he is! Top Gun! And the motorcycle! Cool. We gotta take a picture of it over here. Oh, this is the Top Gun house. The Top Gun house right here. Let's check it out. So this is Tom Cruise. What bike is this, baby?
I don't know, just an old
Kawasaki Ninja. It says. Pretty cool. They preserved it. Oh, too bad we can't get in. It's just preserved. Yeah. So the production bought this house. Ah, they should open it and get some money out of
Built
it.
in
Right?
1897.
Henry Graves. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Let me go. Okay, so this is the patio of the house. What's at the back?
Nothing.
Nothing. Pretty cool. They made it adds space. Let's stand over there and take